Hey guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and guess what? I'm here at the first ever, yes, kauna-unahan po ito, Rockwell in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. This is the first ever Rockwell in the area of Bulacan, guys. Kaya this is very exciting for all investors out there. I think you know what I'm talking about. So this is going to be called Samanian. Ayan siya guys, oh. So we are here in Paradise Farms, Igay Road, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Samanian at Paradise Farms. Today, I'm gonna show you our project concept and also some ideas about our computation. Okay guys, so stay tuned. So guys, ayun na nga, di ba nakita nyo at the beginning of this video, napakaganda po ng location ng Rockwell, Samanian in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Kasi di ba guys, no, less than 5 minutes away sa Star Mall, tapos nakita nyo di ba yung may Dear Joe, yung nadadaanan mo yung Vista Estate, tapos yung road dito guys is napaka-wide niya, highway din talaga siya. And at the same time, ang concept kasi ng project is maliban sa it's gonna be an exclusive community, an exclusive estate, di ba? By Rockwell kasi yan guys, di ba? Magkakaroon din po dito ng Rockwell retail stores, o diba, nabubulol na ako. So yun siya guys, ongoing po yung land development natin dito guys. Nakita nyo naman no, ang ganda ng project concept, kompleto yung magiging amenities, tapos unique kasi hindi to basta typical subdivision. Just imagine 110 hectare development by Rockwell in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Kaya kung ikaw yung tipong taga San Jose del Monte ka or taga QC ka, gusto mo ng San Jose kasi napakalapit niya, tapos may magkakaroon ng future MRT7, tapos merong magkakaroon sa Bulacan, magkakaroon ng mga access road rin, mga ongoing na yung mga projects ng national government going to the future airport, international airport, Bulacan International Airport, diba guys? Kaya talagang yung mga investors, alam nila ang Rockwell pag nag-umpisa yan sa ganitong presyo. Napakabilis po nila mag-appreciate in value. Kasi mako-compare mo yung historically sa ibang projects ng Rockwell. Yung dating nag-umpisa ng 30,000, magkano na ngayon? 60,000 per square meter. Hihintayin mo ba na mag-increase ng more than 100%? Yung isang project, bago ka kumuha, if you are an investor, you know what I'm talking about, diba? And so, I will give you guys an idea about the computation of our project. Ayan siya guys, sa screen. Ayan ha. Nakikita nyo naman, it's just flashing on the screen guys. Very affordable pa yan kasi introductory price. Pero syempre, many are called but few are chosen when it comes to Rockwell. Kasi syempre, di ba, sino ba yung mga target market ng Rockwell? Alam niyo naman yan guys. So kung gusto niyo ng community na talagang masasabi mong high-end, Rockwell, Samanian, Paradise Farm, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan na yan. Sa buong project, yung buong project presentation, we can schedule online, di ba? Via Zoom or Google Meet. Kasi guys, I will not talk for an hour naman, di ba? In this video. So, kung gusto mo talaga yung specification ng ating project, dahil nagkaroon ka na ng idea sa location, sa price niya, di ba guys? We can schedule that for you. You just have to contact me directly. Kasi wala ka pa naman, hindi ka pa pwedeng makapasok dito ha. Ano pa lang, dito lang tayo sa labas, outside lang ha. Hindi pa tayo papasok sa development kasi ongoing yan eh guys. Okay? Pwede nang mag-briefing para makita yung site. Alright? Pero yun nga, kailangan natin ng presentation para sure ka na kasi online reservation and online process po ang ating Rockwell. Okay guys? Again, my name is Nicole. Don't forget my name. You can visit my website and you can contact me directly. Okay guys? Thank you so much. Have a nice day.